Hello everyone. I am going to discuss the overview of TCP/IP protocol suite. TCP/IP Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol is a suite of communication protocol used to interconnect network devices on the Internet. The TCP/IP protocol suite functions as an abstraction layer between Internet application and the routing switching fabric. Ang TCP/IP model ay isang standards ng communication in computer networking. Kagaya ng OSI model, ang TCP/IP model ay showing guidelines sa pag-design at pag-implement ng device, program, networking protocols at iba pa. TCP/IP has become the adopted model in the modern world today. Like the OSI model, si TCP/IP ay binubuo din ng iba't ibang layers or set of standard to organize and make the communication easier for manufacturer. Yung mga manufacturer, sumusunod sila sa standard na ito nang sa ganon, magkita-kita at magkausap ang mga network device kahit galing sa iba't ibang manufacturer. For example, ang isang computer na running on Windows operating system from Microsoft ay may kakayahan na makapag-communicate sa isang Mac computer na gawa naman ng Apple. They are following a certain standards and protocols. This is where TCP/IP comes in. The functionality of the TCP/IP models is divided into 4 layers and each includes specific protocol. Hindi katulad ng OSI model, ang TCP or IP ay meron lamang 4 na layers. Internet layer, network access layer, application layer, transport layer. The application layer is the highest abstraction layer of the TCP/IP model that provides the interface and protocols needed by the users. It combines the functionalities of the session layer, the presentation layer, and the application layer of the OSI model. It facilitates the user to use the service of the network. The application layer of the TCP or IP model was the combination of the upper layers in the OSI. It all focuses on protocols reside or used by the application or programs before it goes into the network. A network layer is the combination of the physical layer and data link layer, defined in the OSI reference model. This layer is mainly responsible for the transmission of data between two devices on the same network. Ang network access layer of the TCP/IP model is composed of the physical addressing and physical connection of the device in our network. This is where data link and physical layer of the OSI merge. Ang data link layer ay concern sa destination ng local network. Ang physical layer ng OSI model naman ang nagde-define ng physical transfer ng bits sa network. This is where the data are transferred into electrical signal before transmitting to the other sides of network. The Internet layer is a group of Internet working methods, protocols, and specifications in the Internet. Protocol suite that are used to transport network packets from the originating host across network boundaries, if necessary, to the destination host specified by an IP address. Ang Internet layer, which is the network layer in the OSI naman ang nag-handle ng logical address or IP addresses na ginagamit ng mga routers para ma-determine ang path from the sending device to the receiving device. Using source and destination IP addresses, nalalaman ng mga routers kung saan ibabato o kung saan papadaanin ang data or packets. The transport layer is the responsible for error-free end-to-end delivery of the data from the source host to the destination host. It corresponds to the transport layer of the OSI model. It facilitates the communicating host to carry on a conversation. Ang transport layer naman ay nakatalaga sa flow control ng data. Ito rin ang nag-check ng error at nagre-recover ng data sa pagitan ng dalawang communicating device. Summary. The TCP/IP protocol suite is a collection of protocols that are used on the Internet. It is named after two of the main protocols, TCP and IP, and uses a 4-layer networking model. At yun lamang po, salamat.